guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm filming my updated wishlist video. Woohoo! I normally film these in January every year. However, this year I managed to tick off quite a few items from my wishlist and I wanted to film an updated one and tell you guys what I'm interested in, what I want to buy next. I've added so many amazing items to my wishlist that I want to share with you, so if you're interested, keep watching. Today's video is kindly sponsored by my favorite shopping assistant, Shoptagger. It is a fantastic little tool for us shopaholic and luxury addicts, and I think all of you guys should have it installed on your phone or on your browser. Here is how it works. Shoptagger is super easy to use. All you need to do is download the Shoptagger browser button, and it works both on Safari and Google Chrome. You can find a list of all online retailers on Shoptagger as well, but basically all you have to do is go to your favorite online store, and when you pick an item you would love to buy, you save it to your Shoptagger. Shoptagger really helps me plan and organize my shopping because you can save items to different wish lists in categories, so they're easy to find. As you can see, I've split mine into shoes, accessories, clothes and bags. You can see items you've saved by brands or by online retailers. Once you've saved all your wishlist items, you will get push notifications on your phone or email when the item you want is on sale. Shoptagger will also notify you when an item is low in stock or back in stock. One of my favorite features is that you can view coupon codes at checkout. Shoptagger searches the entire internet for the best code to apply and save the most amount of money when you're purchasing your item. They have also launched a new cashback feature. You can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. Thanks to Shoptagger, I got my hands on some fabulous pieces and I saved a ton of money. So guys, if you're interested, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description box down below and you can download it for free. Alright guys, let's start with my current wish list. It is very long. It's on my phone. It is very long. I can definitely not buy all this. It is very extra this time. Do you know what? It will be actually very funny if I calculated how much everything will cost me. That would be funny. Should I do that? I bet it's something crazy like $500,000. I'm joking. Okay, let's get started. There is a lot of Chanel on my wish list, so I'll just pick the items that I really want right now. Okay, starting with something that just launched and I tried to get it last week but it was sold out, so I've told my SAs and they're keeping an eye for me when it's back in stock, and it is the Chanel AirPods case. I did post about these Chanel AirPod cases on my Instagram and many of you thought they're ridiculous. I did a poll and you guys voted that it is a no-no, but I kind of like them. I think they're really cute and you can also use them as a waist belt, so it will work as a tiny little baggie when you put it on your waist. Hopefully it will work. I haven't tried it on, but it looks really cool. It is super trendy, I know, but I love the look of it, especially in the winter. I can imagine wearing a chunky knitwear with this cute Chanel AirPods case hanging from my neck. How cool, right? As far as I'm aware, currently they only have it in black with silver hardware, but they'll be definitely launching more colors and more different finishes. I have seen one in velvet, white and coral, but I'm sure they'll launch a lot more colors. The next Chanel item that I also saw on Instagram is a pair of sneakers. Instagram could be very dangerous, so I try not to browse too much because I keep adding more items to my wish list whenever I see something cool. I saw these beautiful white sneakers that have a little bit of a twist. They're all white, the logo is white, but they have the rainbow detail on the side and I think they look so cute and they'll be very easy to style. However, they look a little bit fluffy. If you zoom in, you can see that they're made of this very like fluffy soft fabric that I think will get dirty and they might be quite difficult to maintain clean and wipe. So yeah, I'm not sure about that, but they're so cute. I'll definitely go check them out and see how I feel about them. Okay, so you guys know that I've been obsessed with blue lately. I've been buying a lot of blue shoes and there is this new super cute bag from Chanel that's coming with their cruise collection in November, which is on my wish list. it's this one. However, I did see this very nice, it is like a different shade of blue, almost like Tiffany blue card holder, which I believe is from the 20C collection, the spring collection. So if I ever find that card holder again, because I did see it in Harrods but it got sold out, I hesitated, I wasn't sure if I wanted it, and then it got sold out. So I'm looking for it. Every time I go to Chanel, I always ask to see their card holders. If I ever find it again, I'll definitely pick it up because I think it is such a cute color. And now going back to that bag that I mentioned a minute ago, the baby blue bag that's coming in November, I believe. They're launching their cruise collection in November. This is definitely on my wish list. I would love to get that bag. However, now with the Chanel price increases, I'm sure they'll have another price increase probably in November before they launch the new collection. So yeah, it really depends. I'll definitely think twice before I buy another classic bag if they have another price increase. It really depends how ridiculous the price will get. Hopefully they won't have another price increase. I'm really hoping, but I'm pretty sure they will. By the way, guys, did you hear? I did post about it on my stories. Did you hear that they had a price increase? I think a week and a half ago, my SA messaged me and I posted it on my Instagram story immediately that they increased the prices of the Coco handle. If you're not following me on my Instagram, come check out my Instagram because I show you my new purchases. I also share some inside info about Chanel if I have on my stories, so come check out my Instagram. I'd love to see you there as well. And the last Chanel bag that is currently on my wish list, and I'm probably this close to buying it because I can't stop thinking about this bag. I saw it a month ago when I bought my mermaid rainbow reissue bag. Do you guys remember that vlog? I showed you this beautiful lemony classic flap. Oh, I can't stop thinking about this bag, guys. What should I do? Should I buy it before they increase the prices again? I really want it. I think the color is beautiful. Chanel doesn't do yellow bags very often. However, they do baby blue bags. They release blue colors quite often. So I'm thinking instead of buying the baby blue, should I go for the lemony one because it's a bit more unique? Let me know what you think. Okay, next, I know summer is over, at least here in the UK, but there is a pair of sunglasses from Chanel that I want. I also tried them on in a vlog. If I find the clip, I'll insert the clip here so you can see how they look on me. I'm talking about these beautiful Chanel sunglasses with chain. I love the chain detail with the little CC logo on them. These come in so many different colors, so these are definitely on my wish list. I think I want to buy them, although I probably won't wear them until next summer, but I think they're fab. The last Chanel item on my wish list, actually this is a lie because my Chanel wish list is endless, but one of the last items that I really want to buy from Chanel is the Chanel agenda. Hold on, there is another agenda that I want to buy as well, so I'm contemplating between both the Chanel agenda and the Louis Vuitton, is it called Poe something? Poe agenda. So yeah, I'm not sure which one I want to get. I like both. However, the Louis Vuitton is much cheaper, so maybe I'll get that one and see if I'll actually use it. I really want to get one to put on my desk and write notes. I do write notes, video ideas, so I think that will be useful. So yeah, I want to buy one of these two next. Now that I mentioned Louis Vuitton, should I quickly move to Louis Vuitton next and tell you what I want to buy? I want to buy the Louis Vuitton Cactus, is it called Cactus Garden perfume? Oh my god, this has always been my favorite. I had so many testers of the Cactus Garden and I've used all of them. Whenever I shop from Louis Vuitton, they would normally give me a box full with little samples, perfume samples. I like a few of their fragrances, however the Cactus Garden hands down is my favorite one. It's the best one, it's so unique. I don't know how people don't talk about this perfume more. It's not one of their most popular ones, but to me it's the best one. It's such a unique scent, very fresh, and it's quite light. All the other perfumes are very heavy, whereas this is quite light but very long lasting, and it's such a unique scent. It's a bit minty as well, so I love that one. Definitely want to get it next. A Louis Vuitton clear box, I forgot the name of it. was it Scott? The Scott box? I can't remember exactly. Hopefully I'm not wrong. This has been on my wish list for a long time, okay? And I don't know if I'll ever use it as a bag. I might in the summer. It's cute. It's a clear, transparent bag. However, I think I mainly want to use it as a home decor somewhere. I think it looks so cute, so adorable. Now they do it in a square, a slightly larger box in like a square shape. I think I still prefer the original round one with white LV monogram on it. I know it comes in different prints now and colors. It comes in pink, I think red. There is a new limited edition one from the Crafty collection, but I'm definitely a fan of the original Scott box. Was it Scott box? Yes, Scott box. If you have been a follower, you won't be surprised by the next item on my wish list, my future jacket. The Louis Vuitton, this one. Actually, I have a clip wearing this jacket, so I'll just insert a clip of me trying it on. It is so stunning. Hopefully it won't get sold out by the time I buy it. It is quite pricey, and I do have other items on my wish list that are higher up on my wish list, so I might end up buying those first. So hopefully by the time I save up for the jacket it won't be forever gone, but let's see what will happen. It's definitely on my wish list. I think it's a fabulous classic piece to have in your collection. So beautiful, just plain black, very smart, but you can wear it more casual with the beautiful LV detailing. Oh, and the gold buttons, it's another jacket that's also on my wish list. You know, guys, that I love outwear, jackets, knitwear. So this next one, again, you won't be surprised if you have watched, probably, was it my last vlog, my last shopping vlog? I showed you this beautiful YSL jacket. It is so dreamy and so cool. I love it. However, it is sold out completely everywhere, and they did say that they will order one for me from Paris. They did call me a couple of days ago just to let me know that it is completely sold out everywhere in Europe, in Paris, because they were supposed to transfer one for me from Paris because it was showing available. However, it is completely sold out. They are waiting for more stock, which means it will take longer. They said it might be, we don't know how long it will be. It might be October or November by the time you get it. You're on the wish list. We'll order one for you. We just can't tell you when you'll get your jacket. So yeah. The next item on my wish list, I can't remember if I ever mentioned this. I've always wanted it. However, I never mentioned it because it wasn't the right time. I knew I wasn't gonna get it. However, now I think it's time to get myself a Birkin. Do you agree with me, guys? I think it's time. I have so many Chanel bags and I do love Chanel. I think Chanel suits me more. I'm a Chanel girl. I won't stop buying Chanel bags. I really love their designs and colors. However, now that I have a really nice Chanel bag collection, I kind of think it's time to get myself a Birkin. So I'm putting it out there. I will try my best to get one by the end of this year. Hopefully, if it doesn't happen till the end of this year, because you know how it is with Hermes, I won't settle for a color that I'm not interested in. I'm not going to tell you my top colors that I want because I want it to be a surprise. I won't tell you anything about the size or the color or the leather or the hardware because I want it to be a surprise. If it doesn't happen by the end of this year, hopefully I'll get it before my birthday, which is next year in April. So I'm putting it out there. Hopefully it will happen very soon. Okay, let's make this wish list very extra and see if I'll manage to get any of these by the end of the year. They're definitely on the top of my wish list. I definitely want to get a Rolex. Again, I won't tell you what size, what model. This will be one of my big purchases and I want it to be a surprise. But there is one Rolex watch that I've been dreaming about for so long, and I can see that they keep increasing their prices as well. I think they'll be having another price increase soon. Last time I tried it on was last year and it was £1,000 cheaper. Hopefully I can get one very soon, if not this year, maybe beginning of next year when I travel. I would love to get it from the airport and save some money because I can get it tax-free, 20% off, so yeah. Also, I want to get more Cartier. You guys know that I want to build my Cartier collection. I did mention that in my previous video, but quickly, just as a reminder what I want from Cartier, I've added some more items to my wish list again. So I definitely want to get Cartier from the airport. If you guys want to check out my airport vlog, it's very informative. I tell you how you can save a ton of money on Cartier and other brands. You can check the video, I'll link it up here. But from Cartier, I still want the diamond love ring. Did I mention that one in my previous video, in my previous wish list? I can't remember, but I definitely want that one. I know for sure that I did mention the Justin Clue bracelet with diamonds. And I also want a Cartier diamond, all diamond, Justin Clue ring, the thin one. I think now they're doing the thin one, all iced out. So I definitely want that one as well. So these 3 Cartier pieces are so dreamy and I really want them, so hopefully they'll happen very soon again. Next time I travel, I'll definitely pick up some more Cartier from the airport because it's worth it and I save up a lot from the airport. Alright guys, that's all. Well, not all, but these are the top items that I currently want to buy, and my Chanel inner addict is stopping me from buying many of the other items that are not Chanel. Every time they release a new collection, I jump straight into it and like I can't save to buy anything else because I'm such a big Chanel fan. I really try not to buy too much Chanel for the next couple of months and maybe prioritize some of the other items on my wish list. Let's see how it goes. It will be difficult, but let's see. Wish me luck. Let me know guys what you are lasting after. What are your top 3 items you want to buy next? I would love to hear from you down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.